AI is fast advancing in every field. As it's much faster than humans, there's a fear that AI can soon control everything without humans. But there are also a lot of risk factors if AI controls everything. If the control is in evil hands and the command is given incorrectly, it would ruin the world. Hence, Elon Musk expresses his concern over AI and thinks that AI should be controlled to a certain extent. During a recent interview with Elon Musk, the entrepreneur and CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, he warned that artificial intelligence or AI poses a great threat to humanity. He stated that his company Tesla has been working on an AI chip, and once it has gained success, the self-driving cars will be able to operate without human intervention. Elon Musk calls this technology extraordinary and warns society that if AI continues expanding this way, it'll be a danger to human life. He stressed the importance of monitoring and safeguarding AI lest it causes some worst happenings, as AI might sometimes become uncontrollable and threaten humans. Douglas Murray, a contributor to Fox News, has also expressed his concern about AI and whether it would space humans. He says that AI technology has developed faster over the past 25 years, so control should be taken to AI for the betterment of the human race. They firmly believe that AI is a risk factor. It has been noted that in America, teachers do not have the means to determine if the assignment given to a student is written by him or by ChatGPT. Even students don't use their brains but depend on AI in their studies, as it's a faster way to solve their solutions and assignments. Among many other reasons, the experts are calling for a global pause in AI development, which is very important. Also, they believe that AI should be managed carefully to avoid damage to humankind. We must carefully take the necessary steps to execute AI in a developed, safer, and responsible way. It has already been discussed that AI threatens the human race. When widely used, AI causes massive job losses and worsens human life. Musk also expresses his concern over AI in this and fears the existence of humans. But some experts disagree with Elon Musk, and they believe that comments are likely to reignite the debate on AI and its place in society and highlight the need for further research and regulation. While responding to a shareholder's question, Elon Musk commented that he doesn't think artificial intelligence will help Tesla make cars anytime soon. He also commented that he's worried about AI and there is something we should be concerned about. He also said there is a need for the regulatory authority to watch AI development and should see that it's working within the public's interest. Musk also concurs with Mira Murati, the chief technical officer of OpenAI, who stated that regulations should be implemented for AI technologies since bad actors may utilize them. In his answer to the investor, Musk described AI as quite a scary technology and said he was concerned he may have done stuff to expedite it. The manufacturing issues with the Tesla Model 3 and the risks of AI were the two things that consistently concerned Elon Musk. Musk recently stated during a speech at the Global Government Forum in Dubai that unrestrained AI may be dangerous for civilization. Adam Rogers of Insider wrote about how ChatGPT and other AI tools like Microsoft's Bing are bullshit engines and why users shouldn't trust them. Musk's concern is to be taken seriously while we discuss the drawbacks of AI. The main dangers are the rise of fake news, job automation, and an unsettling race of AI weapons. AI develops robots, they become more innovative, and fewer humans are required for work. About 85 million jobs are expected to be lost between 2020 and 2025. In the field of medicine, also, AI has a significant impact. It helps physicians and doctors from the healthcare sector to discover something new every day that could never replace the stability and efficiency of a human hand. It lessens human efforts. Law and accounting are the following targets. The lawyers must study many pages of data and papers, totaling hundreds or thousands of pages. During this process, they might miss vital and valuable points, but AI can pick out the best possible contract and perform well. This may have a chance of reacting a lot of corporate attorneys. Social media manipulation also takes place. This is a venue for politicians to express their views, while bad actors manipulate the same media and spread misleading and fake news. Everyone can say anything, but people need clarification about what is real or fake. AI also affects privacy policy. It can monitor a person's activities, personal relationships, and movement. The concern becomes more ironic when in the case of weapons. The autonomous weapons system locates targets and destroys them. Some significant countries have expressed concern about this and contributed to the Cold Tech War. Many of the weapons bring major risks to civilians on the ground. The result will be tragic if autonomous weapons fall into the wrong hands. AI also has a significant role in the finance sector. Whether quick and huge trading is intended, events like the 2010 flash crash and the Knight Capital flash crash warn of what may occur when trade-happy algorithms go haywire. Next, these algorithms execute hundreds of deals at a breakneck rate, when they sell seconds later for meager returns. Selling thousands of transactions might frighten investors into doing the same, resulting in abrupt falls in very volatile markets. The judgment and emotions of humans do not influence AI algorithms, nor do they take into account circumstances, the interconnection of markets, or things like human trust and fear. We can't say that AI has nothing to offer to the finance world. Investors that use AI algorithms can make better, more knowledgeable market judgments. But financial business must make sure they comprehend their AI algorithms and the decision-making process behind them. When using AI, companies should assess if it increases or decreases their confidence level to prevent alarming investors and causing a financial meltdown. The nonprofit Future of Life Institute recently published a letter for a 6-month pause in AI training. The letter was signed by nearly 1,000 people, including Elon Musk and several AI researchers. The open letter requests that AI laboratories halt all training for at least 6 months on any AI systems that are more potent than OpenAI's just-released GPT-4. The signatories, who include Elon Musk, the creator of Based AI, and Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak, warned that if these cutting-edge new AI models are allowed to evolve without adequate protections, they might pose deep threats to society and civilization. The letter recommends that governments employ force and impose a required moratorium if businesses refuse to halt growth. The letter also says the pause should be public, verifiable, and include all key actors. Many expressed their concern about AI through this open letter that might cause risk to humankind. The groups that have the risk groups, primary risk groups, are AI, biotechnology, nuclear weapons, and climate change. The reason for the concern is that as years go by, AI becomes competitive and outsmarts minds and replaces humans. They also express the concern over using AI in a misappropriate way by bad actors. Musk is a co-founder of OpenAI, the business that created ChatGPT, the chatbot that has gained a lot of notoriety since its launch in November. Some people have utilized the AI tool to produce cover letters and others as a side business. The US and the European Union are developing more definite measures to control the development of artificial intelligence. Certain AI technologies will be banned, but it doesn't prevent people from exploring them. AI benefits nations wanting to innovate and keep up with the rest of the world. AI should be regulated to bring progress to basic technology. We should decide where AI should be implemented and where it should not be implemented. This is one of the measures we can take to lessen the risk of AI. Moreover, AI should be operated ethically. A company integrating AI has many steps in its operations. Organizations can monitor their algorithm using high-quality data. Leaders can incorporate AI into their organization's culture by defining guidelines for acceptable AI solutions. The most crucial weapon in our arsenal for addressing our major problems will be AI, even though it's a risk. It's vital to constantly debate the risks associated with artificial intelligence so that policymakers can devise strategies to use the technology for good. We must balance technological progress and human-centeredness to create responsible technology and safeguard AI's future while keeping it optimistic for the next generation. AI is revolutionary for the commercial sectors and life-changing for ordinary people. The achievements that AI has marked today are beyond our expectations and will reach new limits shortly. The evolution of AI is going to be consistent for several years. The dangers caused by AI should be considered significant and taken seriously. Though there are immense advantages AI benefits us, we should understand the threat it causes to humankind. We can ask help from AI by implementing safe and ethical measures.